Jai Shri Gurudev. So exercise 5.4. Okay. So some other problems. Question number 9. Question number 9. So already told so many problems now. So 1 to 8 problems over. So many formulas discussed in last video. So in this video, I had discussed some other problems related to the exercise 5.4. Exponential. What is the d by dx of e power x? E power x. D by dx of log x? 1 by x. We have to pronounce like this. My dear friend. Next question. Question number 9. D by dx of cos x divided by log x. D by dx of cos x divided by log x. What is the formula for tell me? So here is the formula of u by v. No. Another time I will write the u by v formula. So d by dx of u by v. U by v is equal to what? Starts with the denominator. Denominator start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay. So v into d by dx of u. So u dash minus u dash minus ಉಲ್ಟಾ u v dash v ನ divided by v square. Denominator whole square. Okay. Like that I have to simplify. So my dear students, this is the procedure I have to follow. V into u dash minus u into v dash divided by v square. Okay. Same procedure you have to follow. What is the numerator here? Cos x. Denominator log x. Starts with the denominator. Denominator starts with log x into d by dx of numerator. D by dx of numerator. So d by dx of cos x minus cos x into d by dx of ulta log x divided by ನೋಡಿದ್ರಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ it will comes like that only. Okay, starting is very important. So starts with the denominator start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೊಡಿ. denominator divided by ಇದ್ರೆ ಕೋಶಿಯಂಟ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, divided by ಇದ್ರೆ denominator first start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, divided by log x whole square. Okay na? Tell me what is the simplification? log x into d by dx of cos x. D by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x. Formula is there. Minus sin x. Formula minus cos x into d by dx of log x. What is the formula? 1 by x. Whole divided by log x whole square. Okay, so this is the simplification. ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ ತಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ is equal to minus sin x into log x minus cos x by x. Okay, divided by log x whole square. Like that we have to simplify. See, very easy problem. Okay na? Simplify. Inna ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಈಗ x ನೀರು ತಗೋಬಹುದು. leave it. Okay, enough. Next question number 10. My dear students, see question number 10. So d by dx of cos of log x plus e power x. So this is total as x. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So it is x. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ x. ಓಕೆ. First what you are pronouncing? cos ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. What is the d by dx of cos x? Minus sin x. So right away. Minus sin. Okay, x. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ. Okay, x log x plus e power x. Okay. Into next ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್? again you have to differentiate this x ಬೇರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದಲ್ಲ log x plus e power x. So therefore d dy dx of log x plus e power x. Again you have to differentiate all these things. Log x plus e power x. Okay, differentiate ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Differentiate. So minus sin log x plus e power x log x plus e power x into dy dx of log x. Directly I am writing dy dx of log x. Otherwise write another time. Okay. See. So sin of this one dy dx of log x. Separate it. Separate. dy dx of log x plus dy dx of e power x. dy dx of e power x. Okay. Now simplify. So minus sin of log x plus e power x into dy dx of log x. dy dx of log x equals what? 1 by x plus dy dx of e power x. So this is the rest easy. So ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ your problem will be very easy. Okay, my dear students. So here this is the question number 10. Next, some other example problems are there. Example 29. Okay, I will do one by one. See, my dear students. Next, we will move to the example 29. Very important problems are there. Some question number 1. Differentiate with respect to x. Same. First question. dy dx of e power minus x. dy dx of e power minus x. Already told now, sir. Until me another time. E power minus x into dy dx of e power minus x into dy dx of minus x. Okay. So e power minus x into dy dx of minus x. Minus 1. So minus. So minus first minus e power minus. Like that we have to simplify. Very easy problem. So this is 1 mark question. They will ask. We ask for 2 marks, please. Like that we have to do. Okay. Next we move to the next. One of the very important problem. dy dx of sin of log x. dy dx of sin of log x. Okay. So is equal to dy dx of sin of x ತರ ಇದೆ. sin of x ತರ ಇದೆ. sin x. So therefore sin what we have to first sin ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. What is the dy dx of sin? Cos. No? So cos of log x. Into. Okay. Again I have to differentiate log a. Inside of it after the sin it is a log x. I have to differentiate log x. dy dx of log x. dy dx of log x. Very easy. Next, cos of log x into dy dx of log x is what? 1 by x. How easy. Very easy problem. Cos of log x into 1. So therefore cos of log x divided by x. So this is the question number 2. Okay. Next we will move to the next problem. See, my dear students, next question. So, question number 3, same example 29. d by dx of cos inverse of e power x. d by dx of cos inverse of e power x. Okay. So, what you pronounce first? First ಏನು pronounce ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನೀವು? ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ. ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಡಿ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋ 1 divided by root of minus 1 divided by cos of minus 1 divided by 1 minus x square. This is the formula. X plus one ಏನಿದೆ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. x plus one ಏನಿದೆ e power x is there, write down e power x. x plus one e power x, so therefore e power x whole square, like that we have to write. Formula ಬರೆಯುವ ಫಸ್ಟ್ x ನ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ e power x. Okay, next into, don't leave like that, again you have to differentiate e power x, so d by dx of e power x. So this is the procedure you have to follow. Next, minus 1 divided by root of 1 minus e power x into 2, e power 2x into e power d by dx of e power x. E power x, very easy. So this is the, okay, simplify it. So minus e power x divided by root of 1 minus e power 2x. Okay, so this is the procedure. Next we move to the, so this is the answer, minus e power x divided by root of 1 minus e power 2x. See next problem, question number 4. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay. D by dx of e power cos x. D by dx of e power cos x. Tell me. So if it is the part of e power x ತರ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಹಾರ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ as x ತರ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. e power cos x. Okay, e power cos x ಮಾಡಿದ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಬರ e power cos x d by dx of e power cos x d by dx of d power x. So e power x, so therefore e power x plus only cos x. So therefore cos x into again d by dx of cos x. So d by dx of cos x, ಆ ಥರ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. This is also one of the important questions. So therefore e power cos x into, so d by dx of cos x is what? Minus sin x. d by dx of cos x minus sin x. It is a familiar one now. Simplify. It is simplify ಮಾಡಿ. Simplify ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? So minus sin x into e power cos. Okay na? So this is the procedure I have to follow. Okay na? So my dear students, so minus sin x into e power cos x. Okay na? So another time we have to practice the more formulas ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ practice ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. Another time tell me, d by dx of e power x, d by dx of e power minus x minus e power minus x, d by dx of e power 2x, 2 into e power 2x, d by dx of e power 8x, 8 into e power 8x, d by dx of log x 1 by log x, 1 by x, d by dx of log x 1 by x. And very important formula, d by dx of root x ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x, d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x. Okay, d by dx of e power x already told now. d by dx of a power x, another one is there, d by dx of a power x. Okay, I tell one important formula for the main examination ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ I will tell once again. Okay, this is very important for CET also. Okay, d by dx of 3 power x, d by dx of 3 power x is equal to one formula is there. Now d by dx of a power x, d by dx of a power x is equal to a power x into log a. The formula is there, log a base 2. So a means any constant 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. So what is the answer for this one? d by dx of 3 power x is equal to 3 power x done. 4 power x into log 4. Very important question. So this one very. And another one, CET, they will ask this type of problem. What it means? D by dx of 4 power minus x. Here some confusion will be student. ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್ ಈ ಥರ ನೋಡಿ 4 power minus x okay into log 4x log 4 into ಮತ್ತೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಬಾರ್ದು again had differentiate ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ 4 power minus x ಬರೀತಾರೆ log 4 ಬರೀತಾರೆ but they will leave like this is wrong why because we have to do ಇನ್ನ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು so d by dx minus x ಮಾಡಬೇಕು d by dx minus x d by dx minus x ಇದನ್ನು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ so ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ d by dx minus x equals to what minus 1 so therefore minus 4 power minus x into log 4 ಓಕೆನಾ ಈ ತರ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ ಸಪೋಸ್ ಬರದೇ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ d by dx 5 power minus x ಹೇಳೋಣ d by dx 5 power minus x ತೇನೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೋಬೇಕು so minus ಮತ್ತೆ minus 5 power minus x into log. ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ so this is the procedure you have to follow. So my dear students, very important question for CET and also main examination also sometimes they will ask if tough paper is there. Okay, so this type of questions will happen. Okay, in PUC, second PUC examination. Another type that means what is the d by dx of e power x d by dx of log x 1 by x okay d by dx of root x 1 by 2 root x minus ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ cos sin ಒಳಗೆ cos cosecant cot minus ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗುರ್ತಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ d by dx of sin inverse x cos inverse x ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಸೇಮ್ c cot inverse x cos inverse x cosecant inverse x so d by dx of cosecant inverse x last we not told d by dx of cosecant inverse x is what minus 1 divided by x into root of x square minus 1 d by dx of secant inverse x 1 divided by x into x square minus 1 ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ sin cos ಬಂದ್ರೆ root of 1 minus x square tan cot ಬಂದ್ರೆ 1 plus x square root ಬರಲ್ಲ cosecant secant ಬಂದ್ರೆ x into root of x square minus 1 minus ಯಾರು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ like that we have to revise ಈ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ your knowledge will increase otherwise you will keep your knowledge will be like that only ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ so my dear students be ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ be practice more times okay practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ number of times ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು okay take one cardboard sheet and write all these things every day you have to see and I have to tell I had the things formulas very important why because we are telling in online class now each student you can't tell they are not physical classes not started yet that's why you have to do your own preparation in your home okay second PUC timetable already examination timetable already ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇದೆ ಈ ವೀಕ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮೇ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಓಕೆ PU ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅವರು they will announce already ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ already so that's why my dear friends ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ then only you will solve it otherwise very less possibilities okay my dear friends another time I had to go some formula logarithm formula another time I had to make log AB log A plus log B some students log A plus B log A plus log B ಎಂದು ಬರೀತಾರೆ this is wrong actually log A plus B is equal to log A plus log B there is no that formulas are not there log A plus B formula ಇಲ್ಲ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ so some students are asking log A plus B equals log A plus log B no log AB equals to log A plus log B into ಇದ್ರೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಸರಿ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇದೆ ಅಡಿಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ log AB equals to log A plus log B ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ but log A plus B ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ so that's why ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಗುರ್ತಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು log AB equals to log A plus log B log A by B గుర్తుంచుకోండి. log a power n means m log a coefficient, it becomes coefficient. Okay, so practice like this. So my dear students, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment in this below. Thank you.